Hidden inside your phone is a universe of factories, from silicon crystal to electric power to final assembly. Your smartphone didn't simply pop into existence. From design to manufacturing, it traveled through global supply chains and factories. This journey reveals how complex everyday tech really is. Components from around the world arrive at the factory: glass screens, batteries, processors, and camera modules. Workers and robots inspect each piece and discard any that fail quality checks. Assembly starts with bonding glass to frames and attaching touch sensors. Batteries, cameras, and processors are installed on the motherboard. Then the phone's shell is closed. Phones undergo tests for battery life, responsiveness, and network connectivity before they are packaged and shipped. At the heart of your phone lies a microchip etched from silicon. In cleanrooms, wafers sliced from pure silicon ingots are coated with thin film. Power for your phone comes from a battery built layer by layer. Electrodes are made by mixing lithium powders with conductive additives and coating them onto metal foils. After drying and pressing, the foils are cut into strips and layered with separators. The cells are welded, sealed, and filled with electrolyte. They undergo formation charges, aging, and end-of-line testing to ensure capacity, impedance, and thermal safety. Only then are they ready to power your phone. A simple swipe on your screen activates a chain of miracles. Silicon lattices carved by light, powder turned into power, parts assembled with micron precision. Next time you charge your phone or tap its screen, remember the hidden worlds that made it possible.